Start in a lunge position with one foot forward and the other foot back. Your arms should be raised above your head. Place your hands on the ground in front of you, shoulder width apart. Keep your fingers spread out for balance. Kick your back leg up and over your head, using your arms for support. As you bring your back leg down, kick your front leg up and over your head, bringing your feet together in the air. Land with your feet shoulder width apart, one foot in front of the other. Your arms should be outstretched to your sides for balance. Keep your eyes focused on the ground in front of you throughout the entire cartwheel. Push off the ground with your hands to gain momentum. Keep your body tight and engaged throughout the movement. Practice on a soft surface like a mat or grass to avoid injuries. Don't be discouraged if you can't do a perfect cartwheel at first. Practice regularly and you'll improve over time.